Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast and Fun English.
Hi, guys. It's great to have you here again. Today's topic is really close to our hearts. The moment English finally clicked for me.
Yes, you know that feeling when something was so hard for so long and suddenly one day it just makes sense?
Exactly. That click moment. I think every English learner dreams of that moment. The day you finally say, wait, I understand. I can actually speak.
And today we'll talk about how that moment happens, what it feels like, and how you can reach it too.
Leah, do you remember when you started learning your first foreign language?
Oh, yes. I studied for months, memorizing words, grammar rules, all that, but I couldn't speak.
Same here. I used to think, maybe I'm not good at languages.
Yeah, and that thought kills your confidence before you even begin.
I remember sitting in my English class, repeating phrases from the book, "This is a pen. That is a cat."
And you never use those in real life.
Exactly. I could read, but I couldn't feel English.
That's the problem. You can study for years, but until something clicks, it all feels heavy and slow. So what makes it click?
For me, it was confidence. I realized I didn't need to be perfect, I just needed to try.
That's powerful. Many people wait until they're ready, but that day never comes.
Yes. The truth is, confidence comes from doing, not waiting.
Repeat after me. Confidence comes from doing.
Again, confidence comes from doing.
Beautiful.
So, let me tell you my click story.
Ooh, I want to hear this.
I was traveling, and I met a tourist who spoke no Vietnamese, only English. We were both lost, trying to find the same bus.
Real life English test.
Exactly. I was nervous, but I thought, okay, just say something. So I said, "Excuse me, where are you going?"
Nice.
He smiled and said, "Oh, I'm going to the market. You?"
And you answered?
I said, "Me too. Let's go together."
Aw, that's so nice.
And you know what? In that moment, I realized I was speaking English. Not perfect, not fast, but real.
So that was your click moment.
Yes. It wasn't about grammar. It was about connection.
I love that because many learners think the click means they suddenly know everything.
But it's not like that. It's the moment you stop caring about mistakes and start communicating.
Exactly. Repeat after me. I don't need perfect English.
Again, I don't need perfect English.
I just need brave English.
I just need brave English.
After that first success, did you feel different when speaking English?
Completely. I stopped studying like a student and started living in English.
I felt the same. Once I stopped being afraid, everything became lighter.
Yes, confidence opens your ears. You start noticing sounds, rhythm, emotions.
It's like your brain says, okay, we can do this now.
Right. And every small success gives you a new level of confidence.
Like climbing stairs, one step at a time.
Exactly. You don't need to jump to the top. Just one small win every day.
Repeat after me. Small steps make big progress.
Again, small steps make big progress.
That's how confidence grows, not in one big moment, but in many small ones.
Yes, and one day you look back and say, wow, English finally clicked for me.
You know what's interesting? Before that click, most learners say, I can't.
Yes, I can't speak English. I can't understand fast talk. I can't pronounce well.
But I can't usually means I'm afraid.
Exactly. It's not about ability. It's about fear.
When you say, I can't, your brain stops trying. But when you say, I'll try, your brain opens.
Yes, even a small try starts the engine of confidence.
Repeat after me. I'll try.
I'll try.
Trying builds confidence.
Trying builds confidence. So, how can our listeners find their moment when English finally clicks?
I'd say first, stop waiting to be perfect.
Yes. Speak now, even with mistakes.
Second, focus on connection, not correction.
Ooh, that's good. Repeat that one.
Connection, not correction.
Connection, not correction.
That's how you feel free.
And third, celebrate every small success.
Right. Many learners forget to be proud, but every time you understand a joke, order food, or text a friend in English, that's progress.
That's your brain saying, see, you can do it.
Repeat after me. I can do it.
I can do it.
You know, Leo, confidence is like a light.
I like that.
When it's dark, when you're afraid, you can't see your ability. But when you turn on that light, everything is clear.
That's beautiful.
And that light comes from belief.
Belief that you are enough right now.
Yes, not when your English is perfect. Now.
Repeat after me. I am enough.
I am enough.
My English is growing every day.
My English is growing every day.
You know what else is interesting? Confidence isn't about pretending to be perfect.
Yes, fake confidence says, I know everything. Real confidence says, I'm learning.
Exactly. Real confidence is calm, not loud.
It's quiet strength.
Repeat after me. Real confidence is calm.
Real confidence is calm. And when you start to enjoy learning, not fight it, that's when English feels natural.
You stop worrying about the clock. You start feeling time fly.
Yes, because you're no longer afraid, you're free.
I think every learner will reach that turning point.
The moment you say your first full sentence without fear.
The moment you understand a movie without subtitles.
The moment you tell a story and people laugh.
That's when English becomes your language.
Yes, not something you study, but something you live.
Repeat after me. English is my language.
English is my language. So if you're listening to this, maybe your click moment hasn't come yet.
But it will. Keep going.
Every word you hear, every sentence you say, it's bringing you closer.
One day, you'll suddenly realize, wait, I'm speaking.
Yes, you'll smile, maybe laugh, and think, English finally clicked for me.
And when that happens, remember, it wasn't magic. It was confidence.
And practice. And heart.
Repeat after me. My English will click.
My English will click.
Because I keep going.
Because I keep going. So, what did we learn today?
That the click isn't about grammar or vocabulary. It's about confidence.
You don't wait for it. You create it by speaking, trying, and believing.
Every mistake, every effort, it's part of the journey.
And one day, everything will click for you too.
Repeat after me one last time. English will click for me.
English will click for me.
Because you are brave, you are learning, and you are doing great.
Thanks for joining us today on Fast and Fun English.
Keep believing, keep speaking, and keep smiling.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.